Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video I'll show you how you can disable CD drive or DVD drive using group policy. So if you are working in organization or in a company, so most of the companies are recommending to disable CD drive, DVD drive or external storage drives just for the security purpose, right? So if you have to enable or disable, especially if you need to disable CD drive or a DVD drive for multiple computers, how you can do that? I'll show you step by step how you can disable CD drive, DVD drive using group policy. Okay, if you have a lot of servers computers, you no need to go to individual PCs or servers. You can centrally disable, or you can say like you can disable from the Active Directory only using group policy. Okay, so before moving ahead, let me show you something. This is my testing machine. Okay, not this one. This is my testing machine, right? Let me open this uh, Explorer first, and you can see here there is a CD drive here, okay? And this PC name is, one second, this PC name is, you can see PC1, okay, which is joined to the domain that is itparivar.lan. Okay, let me close this. So here you can see DVD drive is showing. And if we'll try to open this, it is saying please insert a disk into DVD drive. Means if any user will insert a disk into a DVD drive, he can open files, execute files, or copy or paste anything. Okay, so we need to disable this. Okay, now let me minimize this. Let me go to the my domain controller. Okay, so this is my domain controller, and here let me open first server manager. So you can see here my domain name is idparivar.lan and computer name is DC. So this Active Directory computer name is DC1 and domain is itparivar.lan. In same way, you need to go to the your domain controller, open group policy management, and here you need to create one group policy. You can use existing one, but I'll show you by creating one new group policy. Okay, like manage CD DVD drives. Okay, let's say okay. Once you'll create new group policy, what you need to do is first you need to configure this. Right click, go to edit option, and then go to policies under computer configuration. Then expand window, administrative template. Okay, and then expand system. Once we'll expand system, in the middle side here or here you need to just find removal. Okay, removal storage access, just double click on this, or you can expand from this side like removal storage access. Okay, here we'll see CD and DVD deny execute access, CD and DVD deny read access, and write access. What you need to do is if you want to completely disable CD DVD, just enable and say okay. Double click on this or right click, edit, or double click, enable, apply, okay, deny write access, enable, apply, and okay. Let's close this. Now what we need to do is, as I said, if you want to disable CD DVD for all your domain joined computers or servers, okay, you can do that. Just you need to link this group policy to the domain label. If you want to disable for few specific computer or servers only, then you need to link this group policy to the those servers or computers OU. Okay, so I have the computer which is uh, let me one second, let me show you. which is PC1. Okay, let me open here Active Directory users and computers. Okay, so you can see here I have one OU, that is IT computers, where I have this PC1. Okay, so this PC1 computer is under IT computers OU. So if we need to disable the CD DVD on this PC only, or few other specific PCs which are under any OU, like suppose I have, just for the testing purpose, I have one PC here, and if you have multiple PCs in any OU, and if you want to disable the CD DVD drive on all those computers or servers, okay, you can link this group policy to the that specific OU. Okay, or again, if you want to disable for all the domain joint computers or all domain workstations, okay, you can link to the domain label. Domain label means to your uh, domain or root label. Okay, so on this, let me minimize this. Let me go to the group policy management. So as you can see here, I have that OU here, which is showing IT computers, where my computer is lying, PC1. So either I can link to the domain label to disable CD DVD for all the computers, all the domain joined servers or computers, or I can just link it to the specific OU. Okay, in same way you can do that. Okay, you can link group policy to the server respective OUs where you need to, or on which servers you need to disable. Okay, so for now I am going to link it here. Right click and link an existing GPO. Select this manage CD DVD drives which you have created. Okay, and you can see here now it's linked to the this OU, IT computers OU, where my PC1 computer is lying. Okay, means under IT computer, so my PC is residing. So once it's linked, go to run CMD and type here GP update space /force. If you have multiple domain controllers, maybe you need to replicate it forcefully, or you need to wait for a few minutes, maybe as per your replication um, policy. Maybe that will be for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, so let me close this. Let me minimize this, and let's go to the let's go to uh, one second. Let's go to management PC or testing PC. Okay, where we last time see this DVD drives. It was saying insert DVD. Let's try to do this also again. See, please insert a disk. Still it is saying, but what we'll do, we'll open CMD, we'll run GP update space /force. Why we are doing this? Why we are running GP update force? Just because we have to test it instantly. We have to test this right now. Otherwise, if you will wait for a few minutes, maybe 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it the policy will be get implemented automatically. Okay, let's refresh this and let's again open this DVD. Okay, see here it is saying now access is denied. Okay, D drive is not accessible. Okay, means policy has been implemented successfully and it's not allowing user to open this. So if user will not be able to open the DVD drives, he will not be, open any CD disk or anything. So he will not be able to copy or paste or execute any files from the machine or servers. So I hope guys it's clear to you now how you can disable CD DVD drives using group policy. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel just to motivate me, just to support me, and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. If you have any query, please leave your comment. Surely I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.